Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am here at CVS, and I am getting ready to do an all digital deal to show you guys how you can use the CVS app to save, and you don't need any paper coupons to save. So if you haven't downloaded the CVS app, you might want to go ahead and get that downloaded so that you could do some of these deals. Get your phone out so you could take some screenshots and get your notes out, your pencil, a pencil and some paper so you could take some notes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscription button, hit the bell next to it. That way you don't miss out on any of the deals that I have coming up, and you'll be able to take advantage of all the savings. So guys, we're going to go head on down the aisle and let's get ready to save. So the first deal that we're going to do is going to be a laundry deal. It's going to be spend $30, get $10 back in Extrabucks. And I know that a lot of you guys have been hesitant about buying Tide and Gain since they stopped mailing out coupons and since they stopped putting them in the newspaper. But you can still save. You just have to be creative. You just have to use digital coupons and print you some coupons. So the deal that we're going to do today is an all digital deal. All the coupons are going to come out of the CVS app. So let me turn the camera around and show you guys exactly what we're going to do. So here is the deal. It is spend $30 and get $10 back in Extrabucks. And just about all the large size Tides and Gains are included in this deal. So that's why we're going to go ahead and pick those products. Plus, I need some laundry detergent. So the first one that we're going to get, my store is not tagged too well, guys, so I apologize. But we're going to grab one of these Tides here, okay? They are actually $12.99, and they're not $18.49. They're on sale for $12.99. So we're going to grab one of those, and we're going to use this $3 digital coupon that's in our CVS app. So that's going to bring this down to $12.99. I'm actually going to get the one with Downy. Excuse me, it's $12.99, but we're going to use the $3 coupon. So that's going to bring it down to $9.99. Then we're going to grab a thing of Gain pods. We don't have many to choose from, I see. Okay, next we're going to grab the Gain Flings, and they are on sale for $12.99. They're not $16.79. Again, my store is not tagged, so I already have them in my cart. And we're going to use this $3 coupon out of the CVS app. So that's going to bring these down to $9.99. But before coupons, you can say, since they're $12.99, we're at $26, so we have to get to $30. So the next thing we're going to grab is going to be some of the Gain Flings, and they are $5.49. And we're going to use, no, actually, we're not going to grab the Gain Flings because I don't have a digital for that. We're going to grab the Tide Pods. And we're going to get the ones with the most pods in them. They're all on sale for $5.49. But we're going to get the best bang for our buck. So I'm just pulling up the coupon that we're going to use. So we're going to grab these because there's 16 in there. Or you can get these, either one. These are both 16, but this one's 12 and that one's 12. So I'm gonna grab this one, the cold water. So they're $5.49, and we're going to use this $1 off coupon. So that's gonna take us well over our $30 because we were at $26 with these two, and then you add $5.50 on, so that's $31.50. And then we have $7 in coupons, so we're going to take that off, and then our $10 in Extrabucks. So that's just a great deal alone. Okay guys, so we're going to head up to the register. This is going to be our first transaction, so I will come back with the receipt. Okay guys, so this went pretty well. Here is our receipt. You see the game things were $12.99, the Tide Pods were $12.99, and the large Tide liquid was $12.99. The Tide Pods were $5.49. There's my $1 digital for the pods that came off, the $3 digital for the liquid, and the $3 digital for the game flings. Then I used $18 in Extrabucks to lower my out-of-pocket, and I paid $6.47. So actually, the 18 and 6 would come to $24.47 out of pocket, but I got back a $10 extra buck. So that means that this transaction was only excuse me, this transaction was only $14.47 for 3 things of laundry detergent. So I'm pretty happy with that, especially since, you know, we don't get the coupons as much anymore. So this is a great way for you to save on some laundry detergent. So we're gonna head back into the store and get another transaction. This is actually going to be a glitch, so I'm not sure how long this is going on, so you guys might want to get here to get. Okay guys, so this is going to be another digital deal. So I'm going to say this is a run deal. I really don't normally say this is a run deal, but the reason I'm saying this is for 2 reasons. First is because it's a glitch, and we all know we don't know how long glitches last. The second reason I'm saying this is a run deal because we're going to use a coupon that expires on the 29th. So you need to get here before the coupon expires, because I don't know where else you can get these coupons from. So we're going to look at this deal here, which says when you spend $20 on Pampers, Jumbo Easy Ups, or Ninjamas, you get a $5 extra buck. Now, what's happening is when the extra buck prints out, it's actually printing a $10 extra buck, not a $5 extra buck. I know it works on the Ninjamas. I know the deal says Easy Ups, and I know the deal says Pampers, but I'm not sure if it works when you do that. So I'm not going to risk doing that. I'm just going to get what I know that works. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to grab 2 of these Ninjamas. Okay, so they are 2 for $20. So boom, there's our $20. Well, it says when you buy any 2, you don't have to spend a certain amount. It says when you buy any 2. So I'm grabbing 2 of those. They're 2 for $20. So that's going to be 20. And I'm going to use this $3 digital coupon, and you see it expires in 2 days on the 29th. So that's going to bring our total down to $17. But guys, the $10 extra buck's going to print out. So now that means the $10 and the $3 is $13 off of our $20. So we're going to get 2 bags of these for $7. Guys, I'd say that is a pretty gosh darn good deal. So if I were you, if I had kitties, I would come on and get this before the glitch is caught. Or if you have a baby shower or anything, you might want to get here and get this. So let's head up to the register and let's make sure that it is still going on. Okay guys, so everything worked out fine. There you see the 2 Ninjamas, 2 for $20. There's the $3 digital coupon that came off. I used $13.50 in extra bucks to bring down my out of pocket. So then I paid $3.50 out of pocket, and looky, I got back the $10 in extra bucks. So that means 2 things of Ninjamas only cost us $7. That's $3.50 a piece. Guys, that is an amazing deal. So guys, this is everything that I got today. This is a great way to coupon without any paper coupons, because all of the coupons we used were digital. The one for the Ninjamas, the one for the Tide Pods, the one for the Tide Liquid, and the one for the Gain. Now, if you have any spend threshold CRTs, such as you know, $2 off baby, or $8 off 40, $10 off 30, you know, anything like that, throw those in and combine these deals together. That way you'll save even more on your couponing. So if you're new to couponing and you don't have any paper coupons, go ahead and use those digital coupons and that way you can still take advantage of the deals, you can still save, and you can get your extra bucks. And remember, this is a run deal. We don't know when that glitch is going to be over, because you're only supposed to get $5 in extra bucks, but it's printing 10. So go take advantage of it while you can. Come back and let me know if you were able to take advantage of it and if it's still working. I'm doing this deal. It is on Thursday. It is at 2 o'clock. So hopefully it'll still be going when you go to do the deal. Guys, don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the like button, and until the next time, keep on saving.